So we're underway with Way On. There's Dave and Jersey Girl coming on out. Aaron and crew.
I met a girl, and I was like, oh, I can't do that.
And we've got two of the guys out here with us. Looking good. Boy, oh boy. She is full of gear. Let's head on around behind and have a look at it from the other side.
Back there, rack again? That's not so good. Or maybe it's Afghanistan. Well, yeah, they're having a new one over there. They're starting again in the rack. Alright. Well, isn't that, they're actually just advisors, right? It's something like that.
Everybody's photographing everybody. You know, it was like that in the military. I did a lot of work with combat photographers, and the photographers were always taking pictures of each other, you know? Unbelievable.
You have been.
There's Jersey Girl. Looking good all the way. Wood Island, here we come.